the largest build I've tried yet. This is a handle for the front side of this bed. It's the largest print I've tried so far. It's printing the sides. And I don't know if you can see in the back, it'll have a fork-like area where it goes into this wheel. On the other side, it goes into that wheel. There's another one being built on this side. But it's got a bridge from that end all the way across this expanse over to this one to make a raised area. It's the actual handle that you'll be moving the bed around with in the future. More so for me, it's the mount for a camera to be mounted on this bed that moves with this bed for keeping an eye on print jobs. Some print jobs can go for days. So you always want to be able to throw up your phone and see if it's run amok, and if it has, stop it. Save the filament, save your equipment. Well, that print failed. It was doing good on the sides, but I knew at some point it was going to try to bridge from one side to the other, and it was just unable to do that. It put out some filament that just kind of was melted and then cooled in midair, and it fell down. This print's actually 3 hours and 11 minutes in at 85%. It's only got 15%. I guess I'll stop it. There's no sense in wasting any more filament on this. This is not going to succeed. That might have been able to be cleaned up. Might have worked. The rest of the side looks pretty good. But then when it got up to the bridge across, nope, it needed support. Barely looks like it's layered. And then it looks like the center of this one probably could be cleaned up. That was supposed to go right in this little slot right here on this little metal tab between the bottom of this wheel and right here on each side. And then there would be a handle with a camera mount right here. But I don't think that's going to work. Yep, that could have been cleaned up on the inside, and it still had enough strength top to bottom to have worked in here. It's just the rest of that handle wasn't much of a handle anymore. I looked because I thought this was going to fail. Should have had supports in here, which you can put in the design software, and after it holds it up for the build, you can break them off after the things cool down and ready to take out. But there's my second failed print.